Hey Drake, what day is it?
It's hump day.
Hump day. Wednesday, walk around the shop. What we got going on?
Well, we got this lovely B71 we bought off Copart.
Copart Bill.
Yep.
Means it will be for sale.
Nice truck.
Got a little lift on it.
Had a little bit of vent spot on this fender. Junior repaired it today.
Got the fender fixed.
There's the bumper cap, Steve said back there, primed it for it. We got a tailgate for Mr. Tarzan.
I'm gonna say that's an F-150.
F250.
F-250.
01 F250, bought it brand new, 105,000 miles, 6-speed, 7.3 truck.
Oh.
Yeah. No, it's not for sale.
Is it rare?
It's rare. How many are left with 105,000 miles?
Exactly.
Only.
I don't know if there's that's probably the only 7.3 in the country. Less.
This is the bumpers for our Suburban that will be for sale. We put a motor in it. And the bumpers look a little rough, so we're going to fix them.
Paint the bumpers on it. Been working on F-100.
We got the cab roughed in, primed today. We primed the roof. We stripped the cowl and post here. We got it primed today with some epoxy and regular primer. We went ahead, we've been out of primer, the epoxy primer for 2 months, I guess, been wanting it. They finally brought us a can today, so we done the bedsides the other day when we had some left, but we didn't get the floor. But we got the floor primed today when we primed the cab. What have you been doing on this thing, dude? Nothing?
Cruising around with top down.
All I do is ride around. I drive around.
Did you have the top down while you was there?
Yeah, I didn't drive around in that. I can't get in and out of it.
That's too much work, ain't it?
Yeah. Cutting and buffing. I touched up some spots with a touch-up gun.
Been doing a lot of water sanding, looks like.
Lord have mercy. It's getting awful on an old man, I tell you that.
That ultrafine sandpaper ain't no fun on nothing. There's that Maverick in here again.
Yeah,
There's his four-wheeler. There's his Maverick. What's next? The living room couch?
Hey, when you own it, you own it.
We got to pull that 67 Mustang we were
Yeah.
I got a 67 out there.
68, whatever.
Oh,
It ain't often I get to do that to you like you do to me.
I ain't know them pieces for
we got the inside of the bed painted on the F1. But
Yeah.
it's wrong color.
Oh, we got the floor pan sitting in the Reno.
We made bubbles.
Got the bubbles going wide
Got
open.
the bubble factory going.
Alan's driver, he took his good tires off of it, so I guess he's getting to drive it no more.
No, I
We took the oil pan off. We welded the hole up on the oil pan with the welder we got from the TikTok shop. The Yes Welder flux
Yeah.
core. My junior brought us a TIG rig that you clamp the stick welding part to it and you can TIG it up. And we use that TIG to weld the oil pan up on the Honda.
Got the paperwork on the Scion sent off.
And that part's good.
Hopefully the inspector will be here. I don't know, was able to pay for it today, so maybe he'll get it by, they'll approve it.
Seat come back and put in the Ford truck.
Get ready to start detailing it out.
When did Jesus say he's going to do that?
He said he'd call me next week. He's busy.
Tell him,
If he got more than one or two, he's busy.
we need to sell.
I guess we've
Yeah.
done that right on too.
Got the floor pan set in place finally. I know everybody's been wondering about that. Got it set in place where we can mark it, and then we'll pull it back out. Do the drilling and the grinding. There's the deck lid for the Mustang.
Come get this wagon.
He told me this week.
Wagon's still in its lovely home. Old Philip Thurr said that thing's become part of the family, ain't it? I said, Alan said it's the evil stepbrother, or the evil brother-in-law of it.
Yeah, just sleeps on the couch and smokes 3 more packs of Marlboros and My wife won't let me shoot him.
Yeah. Got under the hood painted.
I like that Autobahn hot rod black. Won't that look good?
It does.
And
Say the inside of the bed.
we got it painted, but I don't like the color. So we're
You know, in here it looks a little, no, it still looks darker.
So
Gotta
we're
do,
gonna try again.
do some readjusting on it.
Well, we sent the paint back today and they matched it up. I ain't looked at it.
They
They
just
said,
mixed another quart today. He said, I just mixed another quart with that formula. And I'm like, I thought that's what she did.
well, what did they do the first time?
I don't know. That's what I thought she
Tell
did.
them to do whatever they done on the fender because it matches
Yeah,
nice.
it's beautiful. Well, the lids look the same to me looking at them. Did you check it?
I ain't, that's what I'm saying. I ain't looked at it, so I don't
To
know.
me, it looked good this time.
Well, it's a lot better than other than if it looks the same. Man.
Yeah, because the other one, I opened the lid and said,
Oh, that's what Chandler said when he opened it. He said, that's good daylight and dark.
Whew, but anyway, I guess that's about all we got going on at the moment. Whoop, forgot to turn the light on. Anyway, check us out. 256 Garage out.